Look up at the night sky. What do you see? You might see the moon, a few planets like Mars or Jupiter, and countless stars. Each of those stars is a sun, just like our own. For a very long time we wondered if those distant suns had planets orbiting them. We wondered if we were alone in the vast dark expanse of the universe. It's a question that has captivated humanity for centuries. The stars are so far away that seeing any planets around them seemed impossible. But now, we know the answer. The universe is filled with worlds beyond our imagination, waiting to be discovered. So what is an exoplanet? The word might sound complicated, but the idea is quite simple. Exo means outside. An exoplanet is simply a planet that orbits a star outside our solar system. Think about it this way. Earth, Mars, and Jupiter all circle our Sun. They are part of our solar family. An exoplanet is a planet that belongs to a different solar family, orbiting a different star, far, far away. There are billions of stars in our galaxy alone, and we are now discovering that most of them have planets. That means there are billions, perhaps trillions of other worlds out there. For most of human history, these worlds were just a dream. They existed only in stories and our imaginations. We could look at the twinkling lights in the sky, but we couldn't know for sure if they were lonely suns or the center of their own planetary systems. The distances are just too vast for our eyes to see these small, dark planets. But science has given us new eyes. With powerful telescopes and clever techniques, we have started to pull back the curtain on the cosmos. We are living in a remarkable age of discovery, the first generation to know for certain that our solar system is not unique. This discovery changes everything. It changes how we see our place in the universe. We are not just on a single isolated planet. We are part of a grand cosmic neighborhood that is far larger and more diverse than we ever thought possible. Every new exoplanet we find is another piece of a giant puzzle. It tells us more about how planets form, how solar systems evolve, and even about the potential for life to exist somewhere else in the cosmos. The journey to understand these distant worlds has only just begun, and it promises to be one of the greatest adventures in human history. How do you find a tiny planet next to a bright shining star that is trillions of kilometers away? It is an incredible challenge, like trying to spot a firefly next to a giant searchlight from a great distance. Scientists have developed some very clever methods to do this. One of the most successful ways is called the transit method. Imagine a moth flying in front of a bright lamp. For a moment, the light from the lamp will dim just a little bit. Scientists use powerful telescopes, like the Kepler Space Telescope, to watch thousands of stars at once, looking for this tiny